everyone, and welcome back to the Beauty Enthusiast. So today I brought a bunch of my skincare products because I wanted to share with you my skincare routine. So I'm not one of those people who has really perfect skin, and I don't need anything more than cold water and a little moisturizer to make it look good. So I wanted to share with you what products I get to keep my skin clear and even. To start with, I have to explain that I have combination skin. So that means it's a little oily on the T-zone and either normal to dry on the cheeks a few hours after washing. So if you'd like to see how I do my skincare routine, then please keep watching. So in the morning, I splash my face with some cold water and I use the Himalaya Herbals Oil Control Lemon Face Wash, and I'm really impressed with this product because it's only 79 pesos, and I noticed that my skin stays more matte for about 6 hours compared to my previous facial wash, which kept my skin matte for only around 2 hours. So it's a really big difference, and it's a very affordable product. Next, I follow my facial wash with Witch Hazel. So you can find this at Healthy Options, and I really like it because I tend to have a lot of redness on my cheeks, and this really helps calm down my skin. And it's also moisturizing because it's natural, astringent, and it doesn't have any alcohol. So when I'm done with my Witch Hazel, I then follow it up with moisturizer. I prefer using oil-free moisturizer because our environment can be quite hot and humid. So the Shu Uemeura Clarifying Balancing Moisturizer has worked really well for me. It is a little bit pricey, but you only use a really small amount. I've had this bottle for over a year, and it's just really good for keeping your skin moisturized but not greasy at all. I know you're supposed to use sunblock every day, and I try to as much as possible, but when I'm expecting to be under the sun a lot, or it's a particularly hot day, I really like using the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunscreen Lotion. This is an SPF 30, and they also have SPF 50 or 55, which I like to use when I'm at the beach and I really need extra sun protection from the sun. So as much as possible, you have to use your sunblock on a daily basis because UVA and UVB rays cause premature aging, and they will cause spots and wrinkles if not attended to. This is a really good sunblock because it has broad spectrum protection from UVA and UVB rays, and it's not greasy at all, which is a common problem with many sunblocks. So it's just very light, and it really protects your skin. And then at night, when I'm ready to take the day off before I go to sleep, I wash my face using the Garnier Skin Naturals Oil Clear Brightening Oil Control Scrub. So this is just a regular facial wash that I really like because it removes dirt, oil, and makeup. So I don't use a separate makeup remover anymore before I use this product, and it has really small beads in it. So it's it has an exfoliating effect, but it's not too harsh at all. So a few times a week, maybe 2 or 3 times a week, I use this Dermalogica Daily Microfoliant. So it's just, it's actually safe for everyday use. It's a unique rice-based powder formula. So it looks like powder when you shake it out in your hand, and then you just create a paste with it by mixing it with a little bit of water, and then you use it as an exfoliant. So it's very good, I think, even for sensitive skin because it's very mild. About once a week, I like to use this Biore Skin Preservation Even Smoother Microderm Exfoliator, and it says that it buffs and refines. So it's like a microdermabrasion product, except that it won't peel your skin or anything like that. So it just gives an even deeper clean, and also helps remove your dead skin cells so that your skin looks brighter. So you're not supposed to use this all the time because it is quite a strong exfoliant, but when you're using stronger facial scrubs like this, make sure that you use only these 2 fingers so that you don't apply too much pressure on your face while you're washing. And then at night, I also still use a toner just to be sure that I removed all traces of my makeup. And in the evening, I prefer to use the Celatec Hydration Alcohol-Free Toner. So I just like this better because I feel like it removes makeup more than the other Witch Hazel toner that I use. When I finish applying my toner at night, I follow it up with the Olay Anti-Aging Night Cream. So as soon as you hit the age of 25, you really need to start using anti-aging products because that's the age when your skin unfortunately starts to age. It starts to generate less collagen, it starts to be more susceptible to the sun and all of these things. So to keep your skin looking young and healthy, then you need your anti-aging cream, especially after 25. At night, I also use an eye cream. This is the Collagen Moistful Firming Eye Cream from Etude House. I like using eye cream just to brighten up my eye area and also prevent any wrinkles because the thin skin around your eyes means that it's going to be one of the first areas that will show signs of aging and wrinkles. And thank goodness I'm not really acne prone, but maybe once a month I'll have like one monstrous pimple on my face and it's just there for everyone to see. So I zap it with benzoyl peroxide. That's the generic name for this. This brand in particular is called Oxy Spot Treatment. So if you use 10% benzoyl peroxide, in my experience, it's going to dry up your pimples in 1 or 2 nights. So when you're using this product, just use a really small amount, just enough to cover the blemish. You don't want to surround the entire area where the pimple might be because this is very drying. I mean, that's the point of this product, to dry out your pimples and also try to disinfect it. So 10% benzoyl peroxide is really effective for helping those pimples go away. So about once a week or every 2 weeks after exfoliating my face, I like to use a sheet mask like this. This one is a pomegranate mask from the Face Shops. This is a sheet mask, so when it comes out, when you open this packet, it's just going to look like a fabric that covers your face with holes for your eyes and mouth. But of course, you can also use those masks that come from a bottle and then you squeeze it out in your hand and then apply it on your face, just to give you some extra nourishment for your skin and also help brighten it up. These masks usually say what they're for. So this one in particular is a skin radiating mask sheet to improve skin resilience and moisturization. So just have a look at the packaging of your mask so that you can address whatever your skin might need. And of course, never forget your water. I drink a lot of water throughout the day. Even when I'm not thirsty, I am always drinking water, so I always carry a tumbler around with me. Water is really important for keeping your skin hydrated, and if you're not drinking enough water, your skin is going to look dull and dry. So never forget to drink lots and lots of water, at least 8 glasses a day. And also, just a few other things that I think most of us know, but we might not always practice. So it really helps a lot to exercise a few times a week. Nothing too crazy if you're not really into exercise, but just try to make time 3 to 4 times a week, even just for 30 or 40 minutes. Exercise is really good for helping, your overall health, but also it's going to show in your skin because your blood is circulating really well, and also because exercising helps flush out toxins through sweat. So aside from drinking lots of water, also consume a lot of fresh fruit and vegetables. So I noticed a huge difference in my skin that really you can't get from creams or products, just from topical things. So you really need to consume fresh fruit and vegetables because they have a lot of antioxidants that are good for your health and also your skin. So when I started consuming vegetables and fruits on a daily basis, I really noticed a different radiance in my skin that I didn't just get from using different products. In addition, if you just want to have extra pampering for your skin, then go ahead and book yourself a facial at a reputable salon. It will help to get a facial every once in a while, just to make sure that your skin is really well cleansed and well moisturized. And if you think that you don't need any particular treatments, like you don't want any pricking done, then just make sure that you tell the therapist what your concerns are and what you do and do not want to get done. If you're not comfortable with any treatment, then don't just stay quiet. Make sure that you say something before you regret getting a facial. Okay, so I think that's about it for my skincare routine. So again, these are just products that I'm using on myself. I do like to use different products just to see how effective things will be for me. So I guess that about wraps up my skincare routine, and I'm not a dermatologist or anything. These are just products that I use and have found to be effective for me. So if you have normal or combination skin like I do, then these products might work for you. But if you have any serious skin issues, then you should definitely take them to a dermatologist so that they can prescribe the right skincare or medicine for you. So I hope you found this video helpful, and if you'd like to leave any suggestions or comments, or if you have any questions, then please just leave a comment in the box below, and I'll see you in our next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.